Folks, what's behind me is Roadtrek Class B Summer Zion Slumber. And when you mean by Roadtrek, they're very well known. They are the founder of Class Bs. They've been making Class Bs since the 80s. And Roadtrek, they're very well known for their quality and the features and their custom builds. When you say the word slumper, it has the sky bunk. Now, if you notice, in the sky bunk on Roadtrek is bigger than the Leopard sky bunk, and it has more height because they made this sky bunk in their in-house in the factory. So they don't buy it already made and they make it. So one thing you notice on their Ram, Xeon Slumper, the sky bunk is bigger. Another feature they provide you is they give you easy to get in on the driver and passenger side because they come with electric step as soon you open the door. Also, you have another electric step when you open the main door, as you see right here. So these kind of features why Roadtrek separate themselves from the other manufacturers. They have two big skylights in the front and one in the back. Power awning. And then what I like about them is they paint the plastic molding around their Class B. Standard Ram is just a black ABS black, but on the Roadtrek they paint it. Also in the back, as you see on this motorhome, they give you the place to store your table, as well, the screen door. And then you could see this is electric sofa. By push a switch, we'll go show you inside more in detail, but you have a big bed. Plus you have all underneath it as a storage. Come with a Class 3 hitch. And then you have the power cord connections, outside shower hot and cold. And then it has the Truma hot water heater, as well furnace. As you see here, they give you storage for the sewer hose. And then again, for the drivers, they have a nice step. And then there's a battery disconnect switch right there underneath the driver's seat. So you could call the power on the coach so you don't have a dead battery. It is a nice Class B motorhome where you have a bed in the top to sleep two and a bed at the bottom, sleep two. The bed at the bottom become a dinette as well as sofa. And then we have a center bathroom here, and separation between the sink and the toilet, and they give you this elbow so you could have more room inside the showers. And it's one-piece fiberglass. Coming over here, if you look in the upper bunk, if you come and show them how big the sky bunk on Roadtrek is, bigger than in the market. It's huge. And then over here we have a nice dinette and a bed, but in the middle we have a induction cooktop, solid sink with a solid service, extension countertop, also solid, microwave. And then all these cabinets, I like about them, they have the nice locking mechanism and the nice finishing inside the cabinet, so they could handle some if you drop something. And then we have another pantry here. It's finished. I love those lock. As well, you have a big door, cooking pans, or you could use, and this is a pantry. And then you have that separate fridge and a freezer. Now I'm going to show you how you could make this dinette as well a sofa in the back. Sit in the back, and then this table. Piece, it go under this cushions, so you just bring it in and you slide it in. And again, there's even a storage underneath, and then they give you a piece here for pads so it does not slip. And then this one, just a switch, as you see. I'm doing it. Voila, it's done. You see how so quick? And then this piece go right here, and that piece On this side, couple pillows. Voila. See how beautiful? So, and then the table on the door come with the post here. You could put the table, you could use it as a dinette. Also these, I like them, they have shocks and then locking mechanism. And then you have a big closet here, hanging. This is the post table right here. And again, more storage, shocks, clothes. I could sit, enjoy the view. You have TV on a swing. I could sit here and enjoy my tables, my laptop, my eating, my windows, my smart TV on a swing bracket, and I could watch it and enjoy the camping in this motorhome. It's amazing from the amount of the storage underneath the benches, storage underneath the sofa, storage upstairs in these both cabin on the right and the left, and then you have the Truma AC. It's amazing. And then coming over here, we have the smart system where I could control everything, turn all the lights, everything I could turn on, heater, air conditions, you name it, all of it's controlled here. More storage here. And then I'm here for the driver and the passengers. Again, this is the brand new chassis. It's still in plastic, as you see, is loaded. And these chairs, they twist so they could get more seating. I love the Roadtrek from the finishing, from the quality, from the belt, from the features they provide you. And again, we have it here in a price no other Class B manufacturer has. These units on a promotion as us. Come to Best RV and grab this unit at a price. You shop as much you want. Do the doubt. You will find Best RV is the lowest price in the state of California. And no hidden fees. Come